One of the major issues in the recordings is noise, which is also the hardest thing to get rid of. There are two ways to tackle noise issues in the recording. The first way is to set up your recording environment so that less noise gets into the recording. The second way is to apply the noise reduction effect after recording. We will learn about the second way in this and the following lecture. Noise reduction is one of the most sought-after features of any audio editing software. In fact, many people learn about Audacity in search of methods to reduce noise. You have to realize that Audacity's noise reduction capacity is limited. It cannot handle different types of noise. Understanding the type of noise of a recording is crucial for professional success. People are highly optimistic regarding how much noise can be removed. They wrongly think that noise reduction is magical and can remove all the noise from the audio and make it pristine quality. If you are serious about audio quality, it's crucial to understand that noise reduction is not a cure-all. The key to great audio lies in the initial recording. It should sound great even before any noise reduction is applied. You have to understand the difference between different types of noises and which one Audacity can remove or reduce. Loud background noise or irregular background noise is the audio quality killer. Audacity cannot reduce loud or irregular background noise. For example, car honks, dog barking, birds chirping, loud lawnmowers, background TV sounds, people talking nearby, children crying, etc., are irregular background noises. If such noise is in between your talking parts or where you were silent, you can remove those from the waveform. But if those noises are recorded underneath your talks, you cannot remove them using Audacity. You may be wondering, if Audacity can't remove such noise, then what kind of noise can Audacity remove? Audacity can remove mainly white background noise or hissing noise. I will play an example of a hissing noise. The volume level of the noisy part is quite low, so you may not hear it clearly. You may have heard the noise if you are listening in a quiet space. I will increase the volume level a bit using the gain slider on the left. I am doing this so that you can listen to the noise clearly. I will play it again. You may have heard the noise clearly this time. I will put the slider back to its original place. During audio processing, this slider should be at its default place, otherwise, it will mess with audio effects. I increased it so that you could hear the noise. The example I played had consistent white noise. Sometimes, the white noise is not consistent. Other types of noise can blend into it, and it is difficult to spot the difference in the waveform. I will play another part of this audio, and you will hear something like a breathing gasp. I will play and listen carefully. I hope you can hear the gasp. However, that is not distinguishable in the waveform from the regular hissing noise. The noise reduction available in Audacity mainly works for regular hissing noise. The gasp we just heard requires different methods to fix. I will discuss those when we get there. There are also other types of noise that can occur in the silent parts of the audio, like mouth clicks, lip smacks, or other types of noise. Only the regular hissing noise can be reduced by the built-in noise reduction effect in Audacity. The more professional work you need to do, the more control you need over these noises. I wanted to give you a heads up, so I discussed some details about these. We will next see how to remove the regular background noise in Audacity. If you think of where these regular hissing noises are coming from, there are some common causes. First of all, the recording device itself generates some hissing noise. The microphone or the audio interface generates some hissing noise. Generally, the amount of noise generated from the recording device is quite small, and hence not much to worry about. But there are other sources of hissing noise, such as AC units, air vents, laptop fans, or mechanical devices vibrating nearby, such as refrigerators. You need to set up your recording environment so that less noise from such sources can enter your recording. Because noise reduction has a cost. The more noise you have to reduce, the more the audio quality will degrade. In addition to mastering all these concepts, you need to know how to reduce noise in Audacity. I will discuss that next. You have just watched a lecture from my Audacity course for beginners. If you want to use Audacity for audiobook narration, professional voiceover, solo podcasts, or any other generic voiceover purposes, this course is for you. This course can be purchased individually or as part of my Audacity bundle. Audacity bundle is an all-in-one solution for learning Audacity well. If you take the Audacity bundle, you will get access to a beginner's course and an advanced course. You will also get 11 pre-built Audacity macros to improve your voice in one click. In addition to that, you will also get one custom EQ and macro personalized for your voice recording. Customized macro can bring up the best of your voice recording, as that will be personalized to your voice only. You will find all the necessary links in the description and pinned comments.